to be in a good mood today?
Huh? Oh, hi, honey. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good today. Why?
I got something to tell you, but if you're in a bad mood, then I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, wow, honey. I don't think there's a worse possible way you could have started this conversation. What did you do?
Suit yourself. Take a seat, would you?
Okay. Did they do postpartum Lamage classes by chance? Oh, God, what is it?
You have money, correct?
Last time I checked. Why?
Now, how much money would that be, approximately? I'm gonna take that as probably not enough to cover it.
Just tell me, honey. Just tell me. What did you buy? What did you buy?
So, I wanted to buy a Volkswagen for my Barbie. I don't think I read the dimensions right. Hope you like your new car.